Hi, so let us look at the basics of using the pen. So I'm going to create a new sprite and here I go. Let me just bring it up here and name it using pen. Now we are going to look at the blocks which come with pen. So since pen is used to draw, erase all is a good utility to just start clean slate. Then pen down helps us to actually put your, like you would put a pen down on your paper and you start writing or you start drawing. We can choose the color. So I'm going to use set pen color 2 and I'm going to choose, let's get some nice red. Okay, now let's get to some drawing. So say I want to draw a line. Let's first draw a straight line. So to do that, I'm going to pick up, go to motion, first set the position. Okay, let's start with 0, 0, center of the screen. And from there, we're going to move 150 to the right. And then when I'm done using the pen, I bring the pen up. Now to execute this, so now we are going to click on this to execute this piece of code which we have written. And there you go. So right from the center, it has drawn the line moving up to 150 steps. Now say I want to make a thicker line. So I'm going to work with the size. I want to set the pen size. So I pick up set pen size and I make it 10. And I execute this code. Yeah, so nice red bright line. Now if I wanted to draw and extend this line towards the left, you know what I have to do? I have to move it left. So I'm going to use a minus here and minus 300. Now let's make a plus sign right here. Now to do that, we again going to come to the center. Okay, so go to 0, 0 and then we're going to go up. Now to go up, that means I have to change the y coordinates. So we are going to change y by same 150 and then change y by minus 300. So basically we come back to 0, so that's 150 minus and then minus 150 more so that we can equidistant. So why is this not drawing towards the top half? We have a T, but I want to see a plus. So where is the pen down? So I'm going to come to pen and I'm going to put pen down here. And there you go. So now you can similarly draw a lot of different shapes. So for instance, we have a rectangle. Now to draw these different shapes, I have written code using something called my blocks. So my block is what we call user defined functions. You can refer to the tutorial on this topic to learn more. It's a very, very important topic, irrespective of whether you're doing visual programming or whether you're writing code in different languages, C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript. They all have ways and methods to create your code clean and write reusable code using functions. So coming back, so to draw a rectangle, so what we have done is we are using turn of 90 degrees and moving and turning and doing it in a loop 2 times. So create the rectangle. So if I click on it, there you go. And got a circle also. So to draw the circle, we're moving 2 steps and turning 1 degree every time. And we're doing it 360 times. Why? Because the circle covers the entire 360 degree. So here we have our circle. So this line you see is because we didn't have a pen up before that. So I drew a line right there. So I'm going to click on it again. So I'm going to do erase all. I don't want anything on the screen. And then I'm going to do a draw circle. So now what you would want to do is play with different kind of shapes and draw them. You will be applying quite a bit of your geometry, mathematics. And if you have not yet started to learn them in school, you're still young, you just draw shapes, because that is something I'm sure you enjoy working with. So have fun, because pen is going to really, really give you a tool to create a lot of interesting dynamic stuff. Have fun. Ta-da!